Meet Jasmeender Singh, popularly known as JS Film, India's most popular motor vlogger influencer. We are very glad to have you here. Is this the first time that you've been to WMD?
100%. This is the first time and I'm very happy to be here.
So let me welcome to Legendary with Legends. So, what do you know about Legendary and what do you like about Legendary?
See, I got to know recently at the last India Bike Week
Yes.
and I saw the accessories in person. Things were very good. Then I started following your Instagram and I'm fond of your production house. Like they do crazy stuff. And obviously I saw the reviews and everything, and then I knew that someday when I'll have a requirement, a true requirement, when I'll get a bike for which you make the accessories, I'll be one of the first customer. So that is how I connected, and I got the KTM Adventure 390, the latest one. And then I got it loaded with all the amazing products from Legendary Custom. Now my bike looks also classy, it's a badass machine and it is very rugged. I've tried and tested. So far, as a customer also, as a fan also, the experience is very good. From ordering on the website, because I belong to the the IT community. I used to make websites, so I know how UI should work. So how website should load quickly and how it should be easy for a customer to go
Yes.
browse and order.
Yes.
So from that first step to getting the stuff, then the packaging, then the stickering on each and every packaging, then the final fitment and the end product. So everything is top notch. So that is why I think I love, and this is also one of the reasons that why we are together, because I also showed a lot of love because the products are damn amazing.
It's a heartwarming
100%,
feedback from you.
100%. So then I realized that this is something which is not right now available in the community. There are a few players, but I'll say that the best and the top and the benchmark is Legendary.
Where do you think the motorcycling, industry is going towards? What about the fandom? Where are we heading towards?
See, honestly, I see a lot of touring incoming, a lot of people getting awareness about touring, then the accessories, then the luggage, and especially the riding gears. Because
Yeah.
now we have awareness. Otherwise, a long back, let's say 5-7 years back, people were not wearing helmets. And then they started wearing but not good quality helmets.
Yes.
Then they started wearing helmets but not riding gears. But nowadays, I think most of the community, like starting from 150cc to 1400, 1800cc, people are aware of riding gears, what brands are available here, what motorcycles also. Because this is also, I'll say, the blessing to the community that these days you have every motorcycle available.
Exactly.
Because when we started, there were no so much of resources, no much options
Yes.
that time. So I think people are now more aware. They are tend to follow their passion, which is like long touring, weekend drives with their friends. So they are following it more. They are taking up time, and obviously they are spending on this kind of product and accessories, which will make their life easy and make them safe.
Yes.
So that's the right way to go, I think. For
So
the
you see
community.
a shift in the attitude of the riders, where they're from a bad man attitude or a bad boy attitude to a very responsible rider.
Yes.
There is a great shift happening in the culture.
100%, 100%. Because I see now we have a very, very vast portfolio when it comes to the accessory for the traveling. That can be aux light, that can be your luggage solution, that can be saddle stays, the different kind of fitments. Mobile mounts are necessary, everybody navigates and want to go through. The more things are incoming for the ease of the rider, and people are spending money for that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So more and more such products should be available in the market is what you feel,
100%,
right?
100%. They are already there. Like I'm saying, from last 3 years, I'm seeing lot of brands, international brands are available here. A lot of Indian manufacturers are doing so well.
Yes.
They're producing international quality right from the heart of the country.
Yes. That's what matters.
Yes.
Having brands
Very
in
true.
India.
Very true, because then it is more affordable.
Exactly.
You get after sales service also.
Yes.
Customer support is also great, because if the products are manufactured here,
Yes.
so that makes a direct contact with the manufacturer to the community. If there is any feedback, so you can just quickly adapt and get
Right.
things done.
Right. And that's where exactly we are positioning Legendary. Starting from, let's say, an X-Pulse, we're going all the way up to a big bores of 1200cc
True
to
that, true that.
1300cc. So you think there are more takers onto the big bore bikes coming forward? You think
100%, 100%.
Yeah? Because if you look at the 10 years ago, we had to go for a South African brand or a German brand if we had to get a proper gear. Now
that.
we are making it available in India.
Yes. So that is for sure. Like I'll say, the youth is in the right hand.
Yes.
It is just that my message, like, always keep very clear. Very few are there, obviously, which misuse their motorcycles, but most of them
Yes.
love their bikes.
Absolutely.
And they love themselves, and they have somebody at home who was waiting for them. So they are more sensible now. They ride nicely, they wear good riding gear, and they get good products.
Great, great. It's a great news for the whole biking industry that we are moving in the right direction.
100%.
Right? Thank you so much for your words.
Most
It's been
welcome.
great. It's been great.